Hello students, in this video I will teach you the fourth poetry from Beehive and the name of the chapter is The Lake Isle of Innisfree. I'll read out the stanzas line by line and explain it to you. Further, in case you guys have doubts, you can clear it out from me. I'll start with reading the stanzas and explaining. I will rise and go now and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and wattles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee-loud glade. So over here in the stanza, I refers to the poet and his name is William Yeats. He says that he wants to go to Innisfree. Over there, he will build a small room for himself with clay and small sticks, which are used to make the walls or the fences of a cabin. Cabin could be a room. As he will need some food to eat also, so he will grow 9 rows of beans near his room. Also, he will get the honey from the honeybee hive. He says that the open space where he will build his room will be full of buzzing sound of the bees, and over there he will live all alone in peace and tranquility. So this was the explanation of the first stanza. Moving on to the second one. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings, there midnights all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evenings full of the linnet's wings. In this stanza, the poet says that when in Innisfree, he will feel peaceful, and he says that the feeling of peace is felt slowly and gradually. It does not come all of a sudden. He describes how he would feel peaceful in the morning time when it is cloudy and the view is not very clear. Then it will appear as if the morning has worn a veil and has hidden itself. Now, what is a veil? Veil is a piece of cloth which is worn by women to protect or hide the face. When he looks at this scene, he will feel peaceful. Further, he says that when the male cricket insect will sing a song, that sound will bring him at peace. Also at midnight, when he will see the twinkling stars in the open sky, their shine will give him peace. In the afternoon, when the sunlight will give a purplish glow, it will also give him peace. During the evening, when he will see the linnet bird flying in the sky, then also he will feel peaceful. Now, what is a linnet bird? Linnet is a small brown and grey bird with a very short beak. So that was the explanation of the second stanza. Moving on to the third one. I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. While I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's grey, I hear it in deep heart score. So in this stanza, the poet says that now he will stand up and go to Innisfree because all the time the sound of lake waters striking the shore repeats in his mind. The sound attracts him towards the lake. Whenever he is either standing on the roadway or on the grey colored pavements, he hears the sound deep in the innermost part of his heart. So the chapter comes to an end. Here in this chapter, the poet is wanting to visit and stay in the Lake Isle of Innisfree because it is a very quiet place, and that is the reason why the poet wants to go there. So that's it for the video and the chapter. I hope everything is understood. In case there is any stanza that you fail to understand, please ask me your doubts. I'll clear it out. Thank you so much for your patience, all of you.